In today's lesson, we're going to use a capo on the second fret. If you've been following my channel, it's the same chords that I've been teaching recently, E minor, G, and a D. The difference though is we're on the second fret, and I'm going to add these two fingers on strings 1 and 2 of the third fret. Most guys recognize this pattern. You've heard it before. Think Wonderwall by Oasis. I'm not here to teach you the song. I'm here to teach you how to use breathwork and simple guitar. I'm not teaching the song. I'm borrowing the feeling. This rhythm works because it's predictable. Your nervous system loves that. Step 1 is try to find the chord shapes, and then step 2 is we're going to breathe together. The chord shapes are E minor, but I'm adding my ring finger and my pinky finger on fret 3 of strings 1 and 2. So just think E minor, adding those two. Then we're going to go to G, but I'm keeping my two fingers on strings 1 and 2. For this whole exercise, my fingers are going to stay anchored there. Here's a quick tip. If that's difficult, don't stress out over whether or not you can do this add-on. It makes it sound nicer, but you can still do the drill without it. So I want you to count with me. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we're going to try to pair our breathing and the numbers with the downstroke or the down strum, like this. Inhale, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now breathe. It's not important that you match me exactly, and it's definitely not important that you match Oasis exactly. What is important is that you find your own rhythm and you can sync your own breathing in with your chord changes. You can always start here. Now is probably a good time just to pause if you're new to my channel and think about like my box breathing video. It's not important that you match the song. This is more important that you match your breathing with your strumming. As a quick tip, try to go down on the numbers with a little rest in between. One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to know what I'm thinking? I'm doubling the numbers like this. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. And then I'm dragging my thumb on the way back up, like when I say and. Again, it gets tricky because you don't want to think too hard about it. You kind of want to let it flow. So you're probably hearing the contradiction. What I'm fighting internally is trying to match it exactly to Oasis. But that kind of defeats our purpose because I always come up short because I'm not Oasis. But what I am is me, and I can breathe and I can strum. And when I pair those things up together, it's calming. I think it's the same reason why Wonderwall feels so comforting. It's familiar. It's predictable. Our nervous system loves that. It's a reminder that you're safe. Don't try to play it right. Try to stay with it. And if changing chords is starting to feel stressful, don't change. Just stay there. And change when you're ready. Maybe stay up here on the thicker ones. Just remember, calm comes before skill. Always. If this felt familiar, that's no accident. Your body already knows how to calm down. Hey, thanks for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, spread the good news. There's natural ways using a guitar and breath work to rid our lives of that constant anxiety. I'm Jake, and you're tuning into Wellness. See you next time. Today is gonna be the day, but they'll never throw it back to you. By now, you should have somehow realized what you got to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the